This is my favorite place in the whole game, chat. It's so pretty. Look at it. Is Fire Giant the worst boss? No, he's really easy for me. The worst boss would be... Are you talking about like worst as in like hardest or worst as in like not fun? Why are we skipping a boss? Because we're just doing remembrance bosses. We're going to Rykard. You're gonna make a custom OBS chip and mail it to me for Christmas? What is an OBS chip? I don't even know what that is. I just love the aesthetic of like this building. I don't like the lava area. I just like the aesthetic of like the buildings in here. Limgrave is also beautiful as well. Yeah, that's true. The capital is also very pretty. There's lots of beautiful places in this game, but this is like my favorite. Like the original first building. I just like the aesthetic. It's very pretty. Oh yeah, the river is beautiful as well. I just want remembrance bosses, that's it.